Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you an easy and fast way to convert any PDF file into a text document using this Systweak PDF Editor. You might need to convert a PDF to a text file to extract plain content or reuse text data. And this method makes it super easy. So let's get started. Once you open the PDF in Systweak PDF Editor, click Convert from the top menu. To convert the PDF to a text document, click on Convert to. Select PDF to text. Confirm the output format and select the destination folder. Now click the Convert to Text button. This will convert your PDF file to a text document and save it in the output folder. Let's check the files. Here's the original PDF and here's the text document we just created from it. Now let's see how you can convert multiple PDF files to text document format all at once. To do this, go to Batch Process, select Batch Convert. Drop the PDF files here. Now select text in output format and select the destination folder. Click on the Convert to Text button and the tool will convert all the PDF files into text document and save them in the output folder. Here are the PDFs and these are the text document files we created from them. That's how easy it is to convert any PDF file into a text document using Systweak PDF Editor. You can check out other tutorials on Systweak PDF Editor by clicking the playlist link in the description. Also, you can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you face any issues, just drop a comment. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.